Ready to unlock the secrets to marketing success? In this video, we'll explore how analytics tools can help you measure, analyze, and optimize your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Think about the old way of doing marketing. You'd launch a campaign and hope for the best, waiting weeks for reports, and by then, it could be too late to make any adjustments. But now, picture this: tracking your marketing performance in real time. You can instantly see what's working and what's not, and fine-tune your campaigns for even better results. It's like having a marketing superpower at your fingertips. So what's marketing analytics all about? In simple terms, it's about using data to make your marketing more effective. Think of analytics tools as your marketing detectives. These tools don't just collect data, they decode it, turning raw numbers into valuable insights. They track everything from customer interactions to campaign performance and sales trends, giving you the clarity to make smarter decisions. No more guessing, just real, actionable results. But what do you do with these insights once you have them? Well, measuring your marketing efforts is one of the most important steps to unlocking marketing success. By tracking key metrics like conversion rates and engagement levels, this helps you refine your strategy and focus on what truly works. With data-driven decision-making, you can personalize your campaigns, target the right audience, and make every marketing dollar count. It's about turning your budget into a strategic investment that fuels success. So why rely on intuition when data can give you the answers? With real data, you can understand what your customers really want and how they engage. This helps you to deliver the right message, and you can strategically allocate your marketing budget more, allowing you to focus on the right channels that give you the highest ROI. But data alone isn't enough. It's what you do with it that matters. That's why analytics is so crucial. It's the key to unlocking real business growth. Analytics offers you data that you need to understand your customer better. You can even spot emerging market trends, improve operational efficiency, and identify potential risks. With this data, you have the power to make smarter decisions, from product development and pricing strategies to customer engagement tactics. But here's the thing: having data is just one thing, but knowing what to track is another. That's where marketing analytics comes in. They're your compass and map in the often uncharted territory of marketing, helping you measure the success of your campaigns. Without tracking the key metrics, you're essentially wandering in the dark, hoping to stumble upon success. To make your efforts count, let's look at some essential metrics that will guide your decisions. Firstly, we've got traffic and audience insights. Website visits, page views, and sessions paint a picture of how users interact with your website. Are visitors just glancing at your homepage and leaving, or are they exploring multiple pages and engaging with your content for longer periods? This data helps you fine-tune your website to be more user-friendly and keep visitors engaged. Unique and returning visitors tell you about the health of your customer base. Unique visitors are those discovering your website for the first time, while returning visitors keep coming back for more. Now, let's talk about keeping those visitors hooked. Think of your website as your physical store. Bounce rate is like a customer walking in, taking one look around, and immediately turning around and leaving. A high bounce rate is a red flag, signaling that something is turning visitors away. Maybe your website is slow, or the content isn't relevant. On the other side, average session duration tells you how long your visitors are browsing for. The longer they stay, the more engaged they are. Optimizing your website design and content is key to improving these metrics. You've got visitors coming to your website, and they're sticking around. Great, but how do you turn that interest into action? How do you convert those visitors into leads and, ultimately, customers? This is where lead generation and conversion metrics come in. Think of your ads and emails like the cover of a magazine. The headline on the cover grabs your attention and entices you to open the magazine. Similarly, a high CTR tells you that your message is resonating with your audience and they're interested in learning more. The ultimate goal is conversion, turning those engaged visitors into leads and paying customers. But how do you know if your conversion rate is improving? Ask yourself, are visitors taking the next step? Are they signing up for your newsletter to stay updated? Are they making a purchase and becoming a customer? Optimizing your conversion funnel, the path visitors take on your website, is crucial for boosting sales. Marketing isn't just about throwing money at the wall and hoping something sticks. It's about making your budget work for you. Cost per lead and customer acquisition cost help you track how much it costs to acquire a new lead or customer. These metrics are essential for ensuring your marketing efforts are cost-effective. At the end of the day, Marketing is about driving revenue. This is where sales and revenue metrics come in. Return on investment is the gold standard for measuring profitability. It tells you how much you're earning for every dollar you spend. To understand the long-term value of your customers, consider customer lifetime value, the total revenue you can expect from a customer over their entire relationship with your business. Revenue per visitor helps you see how much revenue each visitor generates on average. Marketing is also about building a community around your brand. Engagement and brand awareness metrics like social media engagement, email open and click rates, brand mentions, and sentiment analysis give you a sense of how connected your audience is to your brand. Higher engagement usually translates to better brand visibility and more loyal customers. Finally, let's talk about SEO and organic performance metrics like keyword rankings, domain authority, backlinks, organic traffic, and clicks show you how well your website is performing in search results. The better your SEO, the more likely people are to find you when they're searching for what you offer. By tracking these essential metrics, you can transform your marketing from a guessing game into a data-driven strategy that delivers real results. But you can't get those valuable insights if your tools aren't set up correctly from the beginning. The first step is to set up your tools correctly. Think of it as laying the foundation for your data-driven marketing strategy. You wouldn't build a house on shaky ground, right? The same goes for your marketing analytics. You'll want to integrate your chosen analytics tool with your website, social media platforms, even your email marketing services. This guarantees you track all the relevant data. For website analytics, you'll typically configure tracking codes, like the ones for Google Analytics, directly into your website's code. Then once your tools are in place, the crucial step is to verify your data. You want to make sure the information you're seeing is accurate. Check event tracking, conversions, and goal completions to ensure everything is working as it should. Imagine making marketing decisions based on faulty data. That's a recipe for disaster. And while you're at it, double-check your privacy settings too. Compliance with regulations like GDPR is essential for responsible data handling. Now that you have accurate data at your fingertips, it's time to focus on what matters most: your key performance indicators. Whichever one you decide to use, choose the one that aligns with your overall marketing strategy. And remember, don't overwhelm yourself by tracking everything at once. Now that you have your KPIs set, let's make things even easier with custom dashboards. Imagine just having all your most important marketing data in one place. This allows you to understand the information. Using Google Analytics, HubSpot, or even SEMrush can let you create dashboards that track the specific metrics that matter most to your business. Think of it as your marketing command center. As your marketing strategy grows, automation becomes essential. Nobody wants to spend hours manually extracting data. By setting up automated reports and integrating your marketing platforms for seamless data tracking, this frees you up to focus on what really matters: strategy. Now, with more time to think big picture, you can refine your approach and drive success based on the insights you've gathered. Please remember to check out part 2 of the video.